Welcome to this breathtaking journey through the magnificent land of Turkey. A country that bridges two continents, Turkey is where history breathes through its ruins, nature dances through its landscapes, and culture echoes in every corner. Today, we will explore the most awe-inspiring wonders of this enchanting country. So sit back, relax, and let your imagination fly. Pamukkale, the Cotton Castle. Let's begin with a true natural marvel. Pamukkale, meaning cotton castle in Turkish, Pamukkale is a series of white travertine terraces formed by mineral-rich thermal waters. These surreal snowy landscapes are not only visually stunning, but also historically significant, as ancient Romans built the city of Hierapolis nearby to enjoy the healing waters. Even today, visitors from around the world come to walk barefoot on its terraces and bathe in its warm, milky blue pools. Cappadocia, land of fairy chimneys. Next, we fly to Cappadocia, a magical region famous for its cone-shaped rock formations known as fairy chimneys. These formations are the result of volcanic eruptions millions of years ago. Over centuries, people carved homes, churches, and even entire underground cities into the soft rock. Hot air ballooning over Cappadocia during sunrise is one of the most iconic travel experiences in the world. Mount Ararat, the sacred peak. Towering in the eastern part of Türkiye is Mount Ararat, the country's highest peak. According to Abrahamic traditions, it is believed to be the final resting place of Noah's Ark. Covered in snow and mystery, the mountain is both sacred and formidable. Though climbing it requires a permit, its majestic view alone is enough to inspire awe. Hagia Sophia, a timeless monument. Standing tall in Istanbul is the Hagia Sophia, one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. Originally built in 537 AD, a mosque, and now functions as both a historical site and a place of worship. With its vast dome, elegant minarets, and golden mosaics, Hagia Sophia is a true symbol of Turkey's layered past. Ephesus, city of ruins. Once a bustling Roman city, Ephesus is now one of the best preserved ancient cities in the world. Walking through its marble streets, you can see the remains of theaters and the magnificent library of Celsus. This city once hosted Cleopatra and Mark Antony, and continues to captivate travelers. Troy. Myth meets reality. Famous for the Trojan War in Homer's Iliad, the ancient city of Troy is more than just legend. Archaeologists have uncovered multiple layers of the city, revealing thousands of years of habitation. Walking through its ruins feels like stepping into mythology. The Blue Mosque, an Ottoman jewel. Known officially as the Sultan Ahmed Mosque, the Blue Mosque is a symbol of harmony and grandeur. Built in the early 1600s, it is named for the tens of thousands of hand-painted blue tiles that adorn its interior. 6 slender minarets rise into the sky, and its cascading domes reflect the height of Ottoman architecture. Located just opposite the Hagia Sophia, the mosque offers a spiritual experience, especially during the call to prayer.